So, John, why are we in the Ender base? Hey, I mean, it's been a couple of months, and I want to know if there might be up to something big in that. Yeah, I really regret doing this. Hey, you told me I was going to be chopping up stuff. Shut up and chopping up. What is with you? Hey, I have a quadruple blade lightsaber. Okay, I have a choice. Guys, stop fighting. They might hear us. Wait, shh. Something's coming.
Ah, thank you, Darth Ender, Hugo, and the Wild Girl Bird. I don't know, I forgot your name. It's been so long. Sure, anything else? Like, why'd you came here to show us, boss? Yeah, I have to go to Domino's in the next 5 minutes, so, better make it quick, sir. God damn it. Well, I have to get my pizza. No one cares. Move along. I really want that pizza. Can you just stop talking about pizza? God, people are annoying these days. Am I right, folks?
So boss, why'd you bring us here again?
That is a great question, Darth Ender. The reason why I brought you here is what's behind me.
Well, it's just a stupid mech. I can easily make that out of Lego.
Not just any mech. Have you ever heard the story about, have you ever heard the story about this Ultra Pig, where he took down all the Angry Birds?
Wait, every single one? Yes, every single one that known to exist.
Okay, then how?
Oh, that's a very easy question to answer. 2 birds, 1 stone.
That doesn't really make any sense.
Well, I guess that'll be a story for another day. But legend has it, a long time ago, this mech used to belong to this pig named as Ultra Pig. I don't know if it works anymore, but luckily, our minions have managed to find it.
Make sure you give credit to me, sir.
Screw him. But basically, now how it's all brown, yeah, this thing's extremely old. But, like, a long time ago, there was this cool gauntlet on there. Basically, simple snap and that's it. But no one knows where that went. It's completely disappeared, but it was extremely powerful, I'll tell you that.
So, we're gonna use it? Alright, because you're pretty much wasting my time. What?
Listen here, bitch. I'm tired of your bitching at you. Say that again, I will literally kill you.
Okay.
Enough! So is there a possibility of us using it? Depends if we get the thing running and working again.
Well, we just finished up fixing up the Ender tank thing, but I think it was called the diesel knot, but we're gonna call it the Ender tank. But basically, we just finished building that, got it some new bullets and that, just to make sure it's fully accurate. We gave it some actual moving wheels this time. It looks good. Looks perfect condition. Just a little bit dust in that. But yeah, everything seems to be working just fine. So yeah, we should be good.
Good! Well done, Darth Ender. I should give you a promotion, but except I don't pay money because I'm guessing that's so evil. I'm like Craig from Super Mario Logan. So evil, little way. Definitely a Waluigi impression.
Come on. We have more important stuff to do, okay? We need to find those goddamn ninja birds. Yeah, don't worry, sir. We will find them, okay? As long as we need to kill them, right? Yeah, exactly, okay? But you need a lot more training after you lost. I'm sorry, sir. Okay, I'm sorry, sir. I want ice cream. Yeah, and I want my, yeah, you want ice cream, and I want my pizza. So you get out of my way so I can get my pizza. What I'm gonna get from Domino's. Okay, jeez. God.
I sense something. Something coming from this direction.
We're not here. Shh. Probably nothing. Wait, did you hear what they said? Yeah, I know. I mean, a giant mech? Yeah, plus he wants, like, who wants pizza these days? I do. But anyway, we need, is anyone got a plan what we're gonna do? Well, most likely we will be here for the next couple of nights. Wait a minute, then how are we gonna eat? Yeah, how are we gonna eat? Well, know they say.
Whoa, this place was cool.
Good, now attack!
Oh, so cool. Wait, no one's supposed to be. Oh.
Oh, who knew pork tastes so delicious? Yeah. Oh, perfect. 10 out of 10. Oh, damn. Wait a minute. What are we gonna drink? Well, water, of course, but I mean, they've gotta have water. What if they don't? Well, I guess we drink this then.